Hi everyone. I just want to take a second to introduce myself and my company. My name is Hewlett, just like the printer company that we're not going to mention here because they're not sponsoring this video. The name of my company is Hewlett Buys Homes. We specialize in purchasing properties from owners who are facing emotional distress, physical distress, or financial distress. We specialize in purchasing properties with privacy, speed, and convenience. My company specializes in buying properties that are too ugly to list with a realtor or from owners who do not want to go through the hassle of selling for sale by owner. And these are great options. However, these might not be the best option depending on really the seller's situation and the condition of their home. A lesser known option is to sell to an investment group such as Hewlett Buys Homes. We buy houses that need a little love, an extreme makeover, properties that were just recently inherited, people who are tired of having troubled tenants, properties from sellers who are potentially facing foreclosure or are behind on their tax or water bill, properties from people who are getting a divorce and selling is their best solution, avid collectors, or from sellers that just want a fast, hassle-free, convenient sale of their home and don't want to talk about whatever their problem is. The benefit of our service is that we can close on your property very quickly with minimal hassle to you, and you can just be done with it. Our typical client doesn't want to wait weeks to months for bank approval. Our typical client doesn't want to spend another dime on this property. Our typical client wants to stop being a landlord, get rid of crappy tenants, get rid of the burden of the property, get rid of the memories that it holds, just wants to be done with it. I'll take 20 seconds to explain how it works. Step 1. You contact us with your information, whether by phone, email, or completing the form on our website. Step 2. We set up an appointment with you to meet at the property. Step 3. We agree on a price and terms. Step 4. You choose the closing date and you decide whether you want a check or wire transfer. That's it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
When you work with my company, you pay no closing costs, no fees, and no commissions. And you can sell your property with no hassle in no time. If you'd like more information, please visit my website at hewlettbuyshomes.com.